Hello, here we are. This is the back of your Trapezoid Notes page. This is our NTI 26. I'm going to go over a couple of these with you and then leave some of them for you to try on your own. Number 9, it's actually pretty easy. You just got to be careful. So I'm going to kind of talk you through that, get you to set that up. 10, I think, is more confusing, so I'm actually going to work through that one with you. But for number 10, it tells us that MNOP is an isosceles trapezoid. These are parallel. If it's isosceles, that means these are congruent. So they then give us MP. Well, look at that. MP is right here. It's one of our legs, and NO is this. So what are we going to do? We're going to set this equal to this, okay? Legs are congruent. They want us to solve for x and y. They then tell us that PN is a diagonal, is equal to this, and MO is equal to this. Well, we know our diagonals are congruent in an isosceles trapezoid, so we then set those equal to each other and solve for y. So that should be pretty easy for you. Basically, you just write the two equations and solve. I think you guys will be fine with that. The key is, if you don't have me talking you through it, main thing is, what's probably a little tricky is just remembering that the diagonals are congruent. Okay, number 10. We know ABCD is an isosceles trapezoid. I like to mark that as soon as I'm told. Find each missing angle. Well, since it's an isosceles trapezoid, I know my base angles are congruent, so I set these equal, solve for x. I like to put the most x's down first, so my x stays on the left. 5x minus 12 equals 2x plus 27. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So I get 3x minus 12 equals 27. Add 12 to both sides. So I get 3x equals 39. Divide by 3. And x equals 13. If I can write a 13. Okay, x is 13. Basically, they want us to find all four angles. Substitute back in. Does not matter which one you substitute into. Of course, I'm going to go with smallest coefficient. So 2 times 13. Why am I having a hard time writing 13? Plus 27. 2 times 13, that's 26 plus 27. So that would be what, 53? Okay, so this angle's 53. This angle's 53. 53. Whew, struggling, guys. And then I know my consecutive angles, those consecutive interior angles, have to add to equal 180. So to find angle A, I'm going to do 180 minus 53. Got to borrow. 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 minus 5, I've got a 2. So 127. This is the same. So angle A is 127 degrees. Angle B, 127 degrees. Angle C, 53 degrees. Angle D, 53 degrees. Okay? Hopefully we are good there. Number 11, consecutive angles. Consecutive angles. These add to equal 180. Combine like terms, set those equal to 180. All right, so I just circled number 9. You need to do that one. Check it. Number 11, okay? I want you to do this. It's very similar to number 10, except instead of setting them equal, you're going to combine your like terms, set it equal to 180. Okay, remember this very last property on the front, opposite angles are supplementary. So check this out, guys. Number 12. These are opposite angles, they're supplementary. So on this one, these, and notice it is isosceles, these add to equal 180. So for number 12, basically it's like number 11. Just combine like terms, set it equal to 180. Number 13, these are base angles. What do you know about base angles? Solve for x, find each measure. Okay, all these are isosceles. I should be pointing that out. And then for number 14, so do 13. Number 14, these are, it's an isosceles trapezoid. These are opposite angles. Okay, just because this one is a bit quirky. Opposite angles are supplementary. I almost said congruent. Opposite angles are supplementary. Combine your like terms, set it equal to 180. Substitute in, find your measures. Okay, so a little bit less on my part this time, a little bit more on your part. I am going to upload a video that gives more examples. I think it's going to help you more with the kites than the trapezoids. I think you're going to be fine with the trapezoids. They're really not too hard. Hope everybody is doing well. If you need help, make sure you send me an email. Weather's getting a little bit better. Take care. Hope you are doing awesome. I miss your faces, guys. I sure do. Take care.